The family, Nakushe na Kabo Kabo. Welcome to Salomon Full Sports News. Me na Mahmoud Kanu, known as CK Mahmoud from Groningen, commonly called Salomon Full. Of course, Salomon Full na the #1 leading diaspora program this. The most watchful program among Sierra Leoneans globally. Salomon Full na the program is no longer alongside. This program dey for collect and share information among Sierra Leoneans globally. As we all know, na awareness program, na a sensitization program, and na program wey dey for motivate Sierra Leoneans and wake up the sleeping immune intelligence globally. Trust me, na a program wey go always left for watch and get fun, because why? It dey get the work and dey get the solid message from that. The family, today na sports business I wan talk about, and not only for talk about I dey try for tell you now for make una know say how important this particular news dey. The Sierra Leone Federal Association, wey na SLAFA, we know the boy pikin dem wey na the Leone Star. Now dey like today the Leone Star themselves they don get veterans dem. Dem veterans dey come up with a fundraising match wey dey take place on the 17th of September this month, wey na this Sunday wey dey come na the Dulwich Mini Stadium. And this Leone Star veterans they go play against the Dulwich Hamlet FC. As we all know, not a weak side. Trust me. Now we bought themselves full of week. So no matter how we get engine or to move, Parade, Mohamed Kalon or Brea, you name them. Then we veterans there, we don't come, they let you see them go raise up this particular fund by their own talent. So then they call for the support as Leone Star, as patriotic Sierra Leoneans, as lovers of the green, white, and blue, as lovers of the Lion Mountain, and as patriotic son of the Lion Mountain. We all know we love Mama Salone. Every day then on social media, Mama Salone, Mama Salone. Nobody think was Papa Salone. Why? Because most of we, majority of we, 90% of we, now we mama them come up, that they really train you up, although they didn't have the daddy host, but they play 90% of a successful life they left today. So now make 90% they say Mama Salone. But me, I go mix that today for Mama Salone and Papa Salone's sake. We dey call all Sierra Leoneans and cancel you green, white, and blue. Come with you green, white, and blue on the 17th of this month, when na September. Now the Dulwich Mini Stadium. We all know for go day. This Dulwich Mini Stadium dey na the world nation capital, when na London. Trust me, you will get some very, very fun day. The family, I make I dey persist by this particular football match because this money wey they raise for that particular match day, that fund day they go for the flood and mudslide victims them. As we all know, we lost to mama them, we lost to papa them, we lost to grandpa them, we granny them, we brothers them, we sisters them, we auntie, we uncle them, we party them. We lost them on a painful death. For them to just grab and cover mountain man, wait up and breathe. A very painful till he die. It's sorry for that, But as we all know, we don't mourn, we don't go left for that tears day until their kingdom come. We go for move on. And we get for take care of the other way survival left behind with it in a desperate situation we need we as brothers and Sierra Leoneans. So now you make them we bother there, then they use their own talent for raise fund. They all don't play for the country, individually we raise that funding, but collectively we all know it's very essential, very useful for the country. For them we know say yes. We see Sierra Leone veterans, they will not be open no more with 2,000 loans, 3,000 loans for the White Eastern Lion Sports Authority. as you all know, once a footballer is always a footballer. Me thinking my brother no be known at Lombard Street, you know. That means that the man will be the card man at the church, right? They come out of the field, they cannot do. Because I be damn too smart and wicked for learn from me football role model when I Kofi Bado from that way the Port Authority. So Bado begin to recall. Yes, Kofi Bado. That's the way I will born. Now so Kofi Bado study the same for me. So I began that potential, that quality there for cardman at that church right there. Yes. As you pass at the collection, I put you at the field. For tell you say football made simple. Now in Mohamed Kalon, Obre, Dino Tumbu, Dino Parade, and many more one can show again. We all know we don't see Tumbu to Parade to Tumbu from the Mohamed Kalon collector. Oh man, good. But the very important also, this Dulwich Hamlet Football FCR don't put money, say Leicester need for win or dem draw. If Leicester lost that particular money wey dey Salah Cup, dem no go give you all those things Leicester go benefit, na the get taken. But if Leicester win or dem draw, dem go get the money wey dey inside the cup and the get taken. So me family for we all know say football, wetin go make a team win am na by the supporters dem, the enthusiasm of the supporters dem, the way the supporters dem, the way they go shout, the way they show green, white and blue, the way they motivate footballer dem all. And all that go make self, Mohamed Kalon self, then you won't start they go pull am for let's score no more. They upgrade the day, you know. Then say and then I tell you see what we tell me say when man pass ball dey pass, ball pass man dey pass, that in a real bite game football that one day. And I dey go play Saturday because Saturday the money dey physically dey see am. You know say business player like you know to move a parade when they don't see money, joke business on this side. All game for them are final. And that game day trust me Sunday. You wake up for couch in Pikin, your family, because the environment here for be peaceful and enjoyable. Sunday from 1 o'clock to 8 o'clock. And we get side attractions there, boy, like DJ Lulu get for perform, the main man Alonso, of course, me two succulent DJs there, one are DJ Sokinda and DJ Little, they go there be in the mixing chamber for giving the salute all this there. Oh, yo, star. Don't begin to enjoy the game, no eat it. Trust me, as you see me outfit, blue, white, and blue to the fullest. And I don't know if you see that this one I get for gold. So if you are He
is giving me victory. I want to get him giving me victory. He is giving me victory. All the days of my life I pray. Everything that I have now you gave to me, Baba. Lord, I say for your love I'm grateful. Yes, you love me plenty, you came to die for me. Jehovah Rapha, Jehovah Nissi, I am that I am. Ooh. Oh, you search around, there's no one else like you. Lion of Judah, you're the man. God has given me victory. He has given me victory.
You know, we don't get victory, you know, now victory now they go with that day. So we get for the charge, catch with green, white and blue, buy green, white and blue for the Pekin, buy for the wife, you know that they color the hair, all the woman, they color the Leicester veteran babe say, now put some on and spray the hair, the green, white and blue, if na cap, but we self get, let me green, white and blue, all things are green, white and blue at the day. So now all welcome if I'm with them. As the music they sweet me, the victory they enter me, I don't say victory by the Leicester already. The veterans say because that money we need them. Dulwich Hamlet FC, they don't need that money though. But they want to see outside alone now we motivate set for football because you know they want to see the qualities there. They want to see waiting and support when we can as a nation. So that particular need that we get for proven. So my family we now welcome again at the Dulwich Mini Stadium, September 17 from 1 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Couchy Grinko, or if you get smaller, the Darwin Salomon food like myself are there around and will cover the events because I get for sure worldwide are part of this program and they collect and share information. And mind you, Salomon food don't come on now strong. I get for check inside the politics where they go on. I get beaucoup topic the way I get for catch up but yes, our Dr. Kanelum Kela make SLPP, Madabio to be precise, become more popular than the Sierra Leone Niasse, inside salon worldwide. And it don't go up to now 35% when Madabio and the SLPP don't gain popularity, because as we know, Sierra Leone are not full again. They say Dr. Kani Ukela come for destroy their party. They no go take am because the great grandpa they don't make this party. And indeed, SLPP na grandpa party. We go let you know they collect independence. So from the APC, they give APC baton. So that party they not go easy for them die or one person just cast scatter am. Abo Pichibuto inside salon. Can't point that on. It need to work. One person will be destroy am. Trust me, even the labor yourself na collective, na next salon be suffer that particular. But one person able to destroy country or one person able to destroy that particular thing there. Dr. Kani Yonkela, he go do him own go. He go come with disputes or disgruntledness or bad grudge among the people there. But for say SLPP they die, Abo Chiboton, can't like it at all. From there, we get for check inside Holland situation, the Netherlands. Yes, Usamili. Holland situation, we get for check about the Central Union held as a sex scandal. All that they get for come up that the lights. I get for share all the information in there. So don't forget in this program, they for share information. Now a very versatile program with a multi-talented things them wey me Mahmoud Kanu get for share to now. As you all know, seniority in the media is counted. Trust me. I had to talk to more bomb never say bomb here. You know, they say fly it might be food, you only go kaka. If I say kaka again. So for the media they like to they see people they say that competition or this not a competition. I like that. Me like the founder of this media program for them for like motivate people they wake up, they sleep in more intelligence, when they come up like the media, bully and talk. I like that. I like competition also in life. That make they go. So anytime I carry the media, na two different things, different style. Na me thinking about. I get the brain, I get the natural common sense. So my family, continue, stay tuned for the watch this program. My name na Facebook na Mahmoud Kanu. If you see at the logo say Sierra Leone must rise again, then I get at the background Salomon Awful logo. Yes. So stay tuned and stay tight because the next carnival they enter inside politics compromise no day because it's all about the truth and sharing the truth. Salomon Awful to the fullest. Say me say respect to Mama Salon, respect to Papa Salon, respect to the Lion Mountain, and respect to the green, white, and blue, the old star. See you on Sunday from 1 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Not little, how to pick you, if you can friend you, party you, everything. No, we